Garage. What's going on today? Well, today we are doing an event. It is Elite Tuner here in Batavia at a King County Cougar Stadium. I'll do a walk around in a second so you guys can see what's going on in more details. But our track has been designed to be right here. It's a pretty decent lap from what I can see. I'm not sure about the grip yet. I don't know anything. We just arrived, just pulled the car out. So it's setup time, checking time, check everything over, and we're gonna see. We'll see how things go.
I never see the lights out. They get me overdrive. Fancy on a fast car. This is how you make me feel. Don't stress me now. I got the overdose. I'm feeling it in my bones. And if you say that I'm lying to you, these habits are killing me. I wish I could fall asleep. The problem is you.
We did right now, it's going to be a test run. They don't want us to really go all out, I guess, so we'll see. I don't even know where the initiation is. I do not know the layout. I absolutely do not know anything, so we'll see. Gotta make the best of it and just go from there. Alright, cool. Couldn't see shit. Just shut up. One more time.
Feeling like I'm second best, someone that you could forget. Got me drinking that healing, sinking in this feeling. Leave me the time, giving me the signs of life. Thinking you are clear, but you're gonna leave me in the deep.
Midday update. So everything's going pretty good. Car's performing very well, except it's eating tires. It's just literally eating them left and right. We went through pretty much 3 sets right now, and I'm on my last one. Here are my sets, the latest ones. I mean, this one over here, those did maybe 6 laps. Those did way more, but they were pretty much new. And here we are on the last set of the new ones. We'll see what that's gonna do. My pit crew, right? Say hi, pit crew.
Big ass me and my dad used to fucking go down with tires. Less tires, we run from less tires faster. You gotta take fast. You gotta take fast. You got tire pressure? Tire pressure sensor?
No. They've been under for a while. It happens.
I can sit down.
to the wall. Watch out.
You're all good. Bro, this thing's crazy.
And so just like this, we're done with Elite Tuner. Hopefully there's supposed to be another event in October, right? October?
Yeah, October.
Yeah, I guess in October, so that we will try to
I
attend
heard
that.
everything that he said.
And yeah, everything was good. Car performed awesome. The power is there, everything's there. But we went through a lot of tires, which yeah, it's okay. Got really close to the wall, unintentionally, I would say. And yeah, thank you for watching Superior Drift Garage. I hope you found this a little bit of fun. I definitely had fun. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.